Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, KTM 1390 Super Duke R Evo. KTM has once again redefined the boundaries of performance and innovation with the launch of the 2025 1390 Super Duke R Evo. This new iteration of the iconic beast combines raw power, advanced technology, and refined handling to offer an unparalleled riding experience in the naked sport motorcycle segment. Aggressive design and engineering excellence. The 2025 KTM 1390 Super Duke R Evo retains the aggressive and muscular design language that has become synonymous with the Super Duke lineage. Its sharp lines, bold graphics, and distinctive LED lighting give it a menacing presence on the road. The lightweight, chromoly steel trellis frame and single-sided swing arm not only contribute to its aggressive aesthetics but also enhance its structural integrity and agility. Unleashing the beast, power and performance. At the heart of the Super Duke R Evo is a new 1,390 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, meticulously engineered to deliver an astonishing 190 horsepower and 140 Nm of torque. This powerhouse ensures blistering acceleration and relentless power delivery across the rev range. The bike's performance is further enhanced by an advanced electronic suite, including ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, and a quickshifter for seamless gear changes. The combination of brute force and sophisticated electronics ensures that the Super Duke R Evo remains controllable and thrilling in equal measure. Cutting-edge technology and innovation. KTM has equipped the 1390 Super Duke R Evo with state-of-the-art technology to elevate the riding experience. A full-color TFT display provides comprehensive ride information and connectivity options, allowing riders to customize their settings and access navigation, phone, and music on the go. The advanced suspension system, featuring electronically adjustable WP semi-active suspension, adapts to changing road conditions in real time, providing optimal comfort and control. Additionally, the motorcycle is equipped with cornering ABS, traction control, and wheelie control to enhance safety and performance. Ergonomics and comfort. While performance is at the forefront, KTM has not compromised on rider comfort. The ergonomically designed seat and adjustable handlebars ensure a comfortable riding position for long journeys and spirited rides alike. The bike's adjustable suspension can be fine-tuned to suit individual preferences, making it versatile enough for daily commuting and track days. Market impact and availability. Anticipation for the KTM 1390 Super Duke R Evo is high among motorcycle enthusiasts and sport riders. Scheduled for release in key markets in 2025, the Super Duke R Evo is set to attract riders who crave the perfect blend of power, technology, and style. With its cutting-edge features and dominant performance, it positions itself as the benchmark in the naked sport motorcycle category. Conclusion. The 2025 KTM 1390 Super Duke R Evo is a testament to KTM's commitment to pushing the envelope in motorcycle design and performance. With its aggressive aesthetics, unparalleled power, and advanced technology, the Super Duke R Evo offers an exhilarating riding experience that is second to none. Whether tearing up the track or carving through mountain roads, this beast of a motorcycle promises to deliver a thrilling and unforgettable ride, solidifying its status as the ultimate naked sport motorcycle of 2025.